How to change your keyboard background in iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Gboard application, and if you don't have the Gboard application, then simply open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Gboard and further download the application. Once downloaded, launch the Settings application on your device and then tap on General and then on Keyboard. Now, in this particular interface, tap on the keyboards option you see there and then tap on the Add New Keyboard option and then go ahead and choose the Gboard option. Once Gboard has been added as keyboard, simply open any app that has keyboard in it. For instance, I will open Notes. Here, tap on the globe icon you see there on the left-hand side of your keyboard and you will see the option for Gboard. So simply tap on the Gboard option and then tap on the settings option you see there on your Gboard. You will then see the option for settings. Tap on that and then tap on the themes option you see there. And now in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to view a bunch of themes. So simply go ahead and choose the theme of your preference and tap on it. And with this, if you go back and open Keyboard, as you can see, the keyboard has been changed. So this is how you can change keyboard background in iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.